Today I'll show you how to restore plastic dashboards in general. I'll make it look brand new with durability up to 8 months. Look at this dashboard, it's damaged and sun-dried. The color here isn't great either. To improve visibility, I'll section it off with masking tape. I'm going to do that now. There's also oil, probably body oil, and poor quality silicone. We'll fix it properly. First step, cleaning with Sintra Fast.
I'll spray some Sintra Fast and scrub with a Vonixx brush.
Now we'll remove dirt with a microfiber cloth and water, then flip it and dry completely. Next, I'll renovate using Goonie Intense, an interior plastic conditioner. I'll add a few drops here and we'll start the restoration, folks. Let's remove the masking tape and check out this perfect result. Check out the surface, see how it was before and after. It totally changed this gray, which was almost white and sun-dried. Now look how original it is. No issues, surface 100% dry. For maintenance, use Vonixx Flexus, a cleaner and conditioner in one. But understand, Sintra Fast has a huge advantage. Why? While cleaning, Sintra Fast removes fungi and bacteria, it disinfects. It's crucial as it eliminates odors, and Intense makes it like new. This product also cleans better than Flexus. Cleans more here, simpler there, but conditions for up to 3 months. And Intense here lasts up to 6 months. So, I'll repeat. This cleans more than Flexus and disinfects too. This conditions for 3 months, this one for 8 months. Here's the full set for restoring and maintaining interior plastics. If you like this video, leave a like and see you next time. We're in this together. Bye.